Thank you for visiting our channel. Today I came out to review and also quick unbox this nice looking true wireless earbuds. It is done by a company called MPow and is modeled M12. It comes with Bluetooth 5.0. It is very effective. When you touch it, it's very touch sensitive. It can take a wireless charger. Also, it connects very quickly to your phone, and also it is very clear when you want to make phone calls. That's not the only thing. Don't forget to click the subscribe button. Make sure you share this with your friends and family, and make sure you click the notification icon and select all in order for you to get notified once we have a new video out. On top of that, if you have a question, drop them at the bottom of the video. We love to help you out ASAP. And click the like button. It really motivates us to make these type of videos quickly and also a little bit more in detail every time. Alright, so here you go. This is how the box really looks. It has a lot of information in the front. I really like that little design that they have done. Also, a lot of information in the back. Now, it is a little sleeve, so when we take it out and we open the box, here are all the components that are part of this. It comes with this user manual that gives you the actual name, picture. Also, it's called MPow M12 True Wireless Earbuds User Manual. And then once you go inside of it, it's a lot of pages. But what I really like is how nice and big the pictures are, how easy it is to look at. So the packaging list, which are we just covering right now. Also, it shows a diagram of how it's going to play and how you're going to be able to take advantage of it. Going to mode 1 and mode 2 to know exactly what it is. Also, there's some information about the earbuds in different languages and more going to be inside. Now, that's not the only thing. If you flip it in the back, it's also going to show you more information how you're going to be able to play with the actual earbuds and how you're going to be able to even activate Siri, reject call, answer and hang up calls, and more, all in this little manual. What I like is how they merged everything together. So this way it's not just one language, then you go into the next one. They put it all together. So you can see English, Dutch, French, and Spanish. All of them just written one by one on top of the other one. You can even do a wireless charging, which we will cover in this video. Now they have given us this little manual, which is for auto pairing and setup, which we will show in this video. Also note on how you can reset it. Go into the back part of it, how the touch control will really work, and also the earbud parts, which I'm going to show in a few seconds. Also, how you're going to be able to replace it so that way it will fit your ear, how you're going to be able to position inside of the ear, and how you're not supposed to put it on your ear. I really like this little card. It's a warranty card. So you're going to get your 2 years warranty for free if you register, and it will be extending your warranty. Go into the back part of it, how it's done, where you're going to have to be connected, where you can get your warranty from. The best part that I really like is it's USB 2.0 on the one side, and now when you want to charge it is USB Type-C. That's the best part, because a lot of these earbuds that are coming out these days does not have this connector. There you go. So this is USB Type-C going to USB 2.0, which makes it a lot better, and it makes it a lot faster to charge your docking station. Now inside of this, you will get some different ear tips, and this is good for if you're going to ruin the one that you have, or the one you have is either small or too big. You will be able to change them, and that way you will be able to play with it. If I open it, I think I'm going to touch it, and it's not going to be really good for future work. So this is really cool to keep it always inside of this plastic, and once you really need it, then open it up and use it. That will last you a lot longer. And here is the actual docking station. Very nicely designed. I really like this. Now if you look on the top, you have their actual logo, and then and it is not made in a way so it can leave fingerprint residue. I really like that. When you go to the front, when you go to the part that you can open, it has this little nice cut. Even on this part, you cannot really leave any kind of fingerprint residue. That really sticking out for me. I really like that. And going in the bottom part of it is where you're going to be able to see how much charge you got. So each of these little dots are by percentage. Now go into the back part, and here's the actual latch that when you open it, how it's going to be. I'm going to show you in a few seconds. Charging part of it, which is USB Type-C. Going on the bottom part, they have engraved everything. With this is beautiful. Now you can see the model number is right on the bottom. It shows that it is serial numbers there, and then the battery, which is 3.7 volt. It is 500 milliamps. And going next is you're going to flip it, and you're going to be able to see when you open it how nice it really looks, how it is designed. So these are left and right that they have their markings in here. That's really cool. And then the little parts, so when you put your earbud, how it's going to be able to charge. The top part where the head part sits, so where you touch, is going to be inside of that, so nobody will be touching it. But I really like how they have managed to put this together. And there you go, you can see the lights just lit up. That means it's fully charged, which is awesome. Now going around, this is how it really looks. And when you open it and when you look on the ledge part, you can see that it is flashed out really nicely, so it is not going to break like some of the other ones. It doesn't look cheap, it looks really cool. And when you close it, it makes that little noise. That means that the magnets are properly set up, so that way it really takes the heat. If you want to push it, it is not really going to damage it. So if you put it in your pocket, it should be really solid. I really like that. That's not the only thing. We're going to put this aside and show you the actual earbuds. Now here is the actual earbuds. If I have to turn it around, you can see their name really nicely written on the top. You have that little light that is blinking. That means it is waiting for to be paired. Going around, you have that little writing for this is for the right ear, and then you have the part that will be charging. So when you hook it up inside of your docking station, it will help you out. And then this is the mic. That's really cool the way that they are put together. And then the ear part of it. Now we will test everything in a few seconds, but this how nice it is. Here's the left one, will be exactly the same, and you have a little writing that says L. That means this is for the left ear. So we're going to put both of these aside and let's get this paired. Alright, so let's get this paired. It should be very easy to do so. First, on your phone you have to scroll down and go to your Bluetooth menu. Once this part comes up, you can see some of the other earbuds that I already paired. So in this case, we're going to pair this one. In order to put them on pair, you have to hook it up to the actual docking station. And same thing with the right one. You can see that this one is blinking red. So once you take it out, give it a couple of seconds. And now it goes to your pairing mode. And you can see it right now that it is blinking. Perfect. So now let's go to add pair. We will give it a couple of seconds. Here we go. It says MPow and it says M12. We will select it. We will give it a couple of seconds to be paired. There you go. Now it says paired. So as easy as it is, you can see that it says 60% battery is available with this. So that means it got paired. So now if I go, I have to click on home. And if I want to play something, so let's go to YouTube. There you go. Now let's turn this up. And this is the maximum volume, as you can see. So you can probably hear it very dim, that is making noise. So that's how easy it is to play with it. Now that's not the only thing. If you tap it one time, it pauses, and if you tap it again, it plays again. So how easy it is to play with it. That's not the only thing. Let's see how loud this will get. Now we have our meter, and we're going to turn it on. And there you go. Now we have an actual color. So now if I have to tap this to it, now I had to place a hold so that way you can see this is the maximum number that it will go to, which is a very high number. So if you have to put this in your ear, I am sure that I don't want you to go deaf, but this is going to be very, very loud. So again, I have played with this earbuds for a little bit, and I thought I should come up here and now it played for you that how good the actual player it is and how good it will play it for you. Now I'm going to test out that how good it will pick up our sound. So just like when you're talking to someone on a phone or you want to do some recording of your voice, how far it will sound. So I will go into be right now you're hearing me from the actual camera, but I'm going to switch it once I click on a record that show you exactly how good it will be. So I'm going to click on it, and now this is how good it is when you're listening my voice directly from the earbud and going to be recording it to this phone. So make it simple for you to know exactly how good it sounds when you're talking on a phone and you're not going to be talking directly to the camera. Perfect. So I hope you guys like this part. Now listening to this is beautiful. You want to put some heavy metal songs on this, or you want to have some bass, this will do the job accurately for you until you reach roughly about 90%. Then you're going to hear some buzzing noise. But again, if you are going to do some workout, or you want to sit and relax and you want to listen to some cool music, this earbuds will do the job for you accurately. You're going to really like it. You're going to really love it, because it is just a touch base that you just tap and it will pause the video, or your call will hang up. Everything is going to happen accurately for you as soon as you click on it. So you do not have to click on actual tablet, or you want to watch something on your TV. This will do the job for you perfectly. Again, the length on this is about 10 meters, which is perfectly understandable, but it is Bluetooth 5.0. And if you have one of those newer TVs, this will do the job perfectly for you, that you can bring the volume down while somebody else is listening to the same station or to the same channel and they want to have the volume up. You want to have the volume down. This will do it accurately for you. As long as you have Bluetooth 5 on your actual TV or phone, it will work perfectly for you. Except that it had got my thumbs up. I really like this. I will be placing a link where you can order it from. Also, if you want to learn more about it, ask at the bottom of the video. We'll have to help you out with that. When it comes to warranty, when it comes to guarantee, MPow is always standing behind their product. I really like that. And with their extended warranty that they have shown, as long as you're going to register it right away, it will really help you out. So that way you can get more out of your earbuds. I didn't say that it is bad. It will last you a long time, but it is so good that these guys standing behind it, not for 1 year, but for 2 years. This is how good it is. The website is right here for your warranty. If you misplace this little sticker, just come to this video, you will see it. Also, where you can order it from, links will be available in the bottom of this video. Except that I hope you guys like our video. If you do like it, click the like button, subscribe button on the top, comment on the bottom. Always remember to visit our own website, which is exitex.info. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, Instagram, and other social networking places, and thank you.